In today's video, we'll look at Galileo K-12 formative assessments and how they help educators monitor student progress. Galileo K-12 offers educators a variety of formative assessments called Galileo Formatives. These include pre-built formatives for English language arts, as well as test creation tools that let teachers create their own formatives for ELA, math, science, and other subjects. Galileo K-12 also includes convenient progress monitoring reports for viewing formative test results and standards mastery. Plus, Galileo pre-built formatives, test creation tools, and progress monitoring reports are all available in Imagine Language and Literacy from Imagine Learning. All of this helps educators monitor student learning, which provides feedback that can be used by teachers to improve their instruction and by students to improve their learning. Let's go further into pre-built Galileo formatives. Educators can choose from a variety of standards-aligned pre-built formatives for English language arts grades K through 8. Shared within test libraries across the school or district, these tests are ready to use, allowing teachers to do a quick check on learning at any time, such as before, during, or after a lesson. To select a test, educators simply select the grade and theme-based formative test library. Then scroll down and select the test name, which contains the standard, subject, and grade level. Now the test can be scheduled for a class or group of students with a few easy clicks. Now let's talk about test creation tools. Using the Galileo K-12 Test Builder and Item Builder interface, educators can build customized formatives for any subject by creating their own items from scratch. To make test creation even easier, formatives can be created by choosing pre-built items from the Galileo item banks. There are up to 19 item types to choose from, including technology-enhanced items for ELA, math, and science, grades K through 12. Quickly search for items by standard, grade, subject, item type, or depth of knowledge level. Formatives can also be created using the Galileo K-12 automated scoring key. This allows educators to upload a pre-existing test into Galileo from a file such as a Word or PDF file. Now, we know using formative assessments are important, but what about monitoring the results? The Galileo K-12 formative results page conveniently displays the student scores for each formative test. Plus, with reports like test monitoring, educators can monitor student progress on a test in real time and see how students have answered each test item. With the Intervention Alert report, educators also have a quick visual summary of students' level of mastery for the standards assessed. These reports help educators to identify gaps in learning, schedule appropriate assignments, and create intervention groups. Using formative assessments is well worth the data gathered on student learning. Galileo Formatives give educators the right tools to monitor student learning, provide feedback, and plan for future instruction, all of which helps accelerate learning.